Professor Godfrey Louise of the Ho Chi Minh University of Sciences and Technology says the tests conducted so far have confirmed that the microorganisms found in the red rain samples obtained from Kerala, India are from outer space. In an exclusive interview with News First, Professor Godfrey said that similar characteristics can be identified in the red rain samples obtained from Sri Lanka and from Kerala, India.
Professor Godfrey Louise conducted tests and research on the red rains that fell to Kerala, India over a decade ago. Facts that he uncovered about the microorganism that was found in the red rain samples have been presented at numerous conventions and publications.
The reason we have proposed is that these must have come from fragments of a comet, and these microbes are having extraordinary ability to withstand high temperature, and they are very special kind of microorganisms which we find in this red rain, and some 50 tons of this material has fallen in Kerala according to our estimate. So huge quantity of it has come from, and no terrestrial source is identified. We have been proposing these ideas from that point onwards.
However, the professor said that the red rains will not harm the human skin.
We have not noticed any serious complaints which affects the people, and some people may have experienced some itching problem, but generally there are no reactions. Nothing could be connected with the red rain, any disease.
Several areas in Sri Lanka experienced red rains recently.
I find the same thing happening in Sri Lanka now. In very distant parts along the Sri Lanka, the same thing is happening, and the characteristics is very similar. The duration of the red rain is some 15-20 minutes, and it happens during a normal rain. So it all matches, and I have seen some images of the cells of Sri Lanka, and which is exactly same as Kerala red rain cells.
Professor Chandra Wickramasinghe, the director of the Buckingham Centre for Astrobiology, recently expressed a similar view.
That we have been looking at for a long time from Kerala is the high amounts of silver and arsenic that is present in these cells, and that's surprising. And it's not; these are rare materials, rare elements, chemical elements on Earth. But we are very happy to cooperate with any investigation in Sri Lanka, definitely, and if you would definitely conduct more studies on that, and any help from our side is we can offer with the Sri Lankan scientists, and we can work together on this problem. Some biological cells come from space, and this cannot be ruled out. Many think that it is a common algae, which is wrong, because all the analysis we have done is, and definitely since this has repeated now in Sri Lanka, it can undergo more studies in other laboratories, and it will be more clear with this investigation on this.